Hey everybody, AJ here. How are you doing today? I'm here with the Fogger, and this is a brand new atomizer. It's been out a little while now, and we'll unbox this thing for you here. See what we get. We get a little packet of goodies. Little screwdriver, extra wick, stainless steel wick, some O-rings, three small ones and two big ones, and two tiny ones, three small ones, and two larger black ones, and some wire in there to assist in the rebuilding process. I am not going to rebuild this at this time. I'm just going to, because it's already comes pre-built, but I'll take it apart, I guess. Let's see here. This unscrews. This is the top cap with a removable dripping atomizer. It's seated pretty well, actually. Very little wobble. Top cap. Let's see here. It looks like it's got a screw here, a fill screw. That's what that looks like to me. That is a fill screw. So you don't have to take the unit apart to fill it. That's a fill screw. Little tiny screw there. Put that back in place. I can leave it out because I gotta fill it. Let's see. That just pulls off. Separates from the glass tank. It's a cool looking glass tank. Seems rather smooth. That just presses in at the bottom. And then there's the coil sitting down in there. Below this piece, the air tube. Very interesting design. There are two little screws in there for the wires, for the coil wire. Looks a little tight in there, but if they could build it, I could build it. Put this thing back together. This just sits on top. And then this is going to come down on top, and this is going to screw down to seal it all down together. There's threading in the top of the cap here, so it protects a lot of the glass tank. It's like a 5 or 6 mil tank. It's tremendous. Let me see. I'm gonna do some Paladin's punch in here. I haven't taped that in a while. I do enjoy it. I'm not going to fill it all the way. I'm just going to fill it halfway. It just screws down real easy. And this is an adjustable airflow actually at the bottom. I did not pick this up, but it has an adjustable airflow. I'm going to start mine off closed. And I'm going to grab my Enzonic and pop a battery in it if I have one. we'll use the battery I had. Hopefully it has some life left in it. Oops, I forgot to put the hole for the little screw for the juice in. Tighten that down. Let's give this a vape. Okay, and that airflow works because I ain't getting no air. Very hard drawer there with it all the way down. Wow, this thing is a vibe. The vape right now for me is very good. It's a little warmer than I like it. I'm sure I can adjust that, and I have the airflow fully open now. I'm sure that I could adjust that by a change in the coil. I did not even fire the coil with it open, so I don't know how they were firing. I should have checked. Oh, it's becoming a little better now. Wow, great unit. Beautiful looking. It's got an engraving here, the fogger on it. I hope everybody enjoys this product. Thank you very much. AJ out.